Sundry Sani. My metric number is A21B2527. Early 2020, after graduating from diploma, me and my friend decided to open a small business, which is selling a tahu begedil. During that time, not many orders we will receive, and we deliver the food by ourselves. In March 2020, we learned how to market our product, which is tahu begedil widely. In this time, we received a lot of orders day and night until we felt exhausted. At some point, we trying to find more than 2 employees because we want this business can be run more systematically, and at the same time, we have a time for rest. Our business, namely Sundry Enterprise, was established on 10 June 2020, and the type of business is partnership. Sundry Enterprise have a shop lot and operating in Taman Daya, Johor.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Rabiatul Adawiyah binti Abdul Khalid from class L3T2 and my matrix number 81A3044. I will continue with my part, which is the background of Sundry Enterprise. Sundry Enterprise, which is a partnership business established on 10 June 2020, consists of 5 partners in running this business more widely. The shop lot located at Jalan Sagu, Taman Daya, Johor Bahru. Our business activity is to sell ready-to-eat fried food. This food is known as tahu begedil. Tahu begedil is eaten with sambal kicap. This tahu begedil has received high attention and acceptance by the public, especially from teenagers to the elderly. We decided to use Sundry as our company name because it is easy to pronounce and remember. Sundry, synonyms to diversity, various, many and assorted, while the black color means prestigious, luxe and exclusive. Then, the big S stand for types of foods and S for Sundry. Our objective in this business with the logo that has been created, where within 5 years later we produce various types of foods such as cakes, biscuits and traditional food like kuih muih.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurhidayah Falahiyah binti Sharizan. My number matric is 818283. So we continue with organization chart of the business for Sundry Enterprise. And we go first with a CEO, which is Chief Executive Officer, or we call founder. So our founder is Khairunisa binti Muhammad Sani. They manage and receive record and prepare company document. Next, we go to administration department, who Rabiatul Adawiyah binti Abdul Khalid, who manage the administration activity of the company. So next, we go to who handle operation department is Nurhidayah Falahiyah binti Sharizan, who managing day-to-day travel and company improvement. So next we go to marketing department, which is Nur Nasuha binti Ahmad Ismail, who promoting goods and service. So next we go to who of financial department is Abdi Mustari bin Lawda Satazul, who will allocate the fund properly to ensure the company continue functioning and responsible for the company daily financial. Next, we proceed with introduce the product that we are selling. So, Sundry Enterprise is a business that sells ready-to-eat fried food called tahu begedil. This food is guaranteed halal and safe to eat by various race and religion. It was a traditional Malay food that was originally just food that were usually begedil eaten with chicken soup, but in the passing of this time, it was innovated by making it continue to open the appetizing by adding tofu as an external of begedil. So that's mean tahu begedil has been named because of the combination of tahu and begedil. The ingredients in begedil are mashed potato and mixed with chicken fillet, fried onions, parsley, eggs, and then dipped in an egg mixture before being fried into boiling oil. Then tahu begedil will be complete if eaten with sambal kicap that has a spicy and sweet taste. The combination in this food gives a feeling of fullness to those who eat it, and it is also more delicious, and this food is very suitable as an appetizer menu. This food tastes amazing because it's not too spicy, not too sweet, and very tasty. Apart from that, this tahu begedil is definitely an appetizing food to be served to the family and guests. For example, for ceremony, high tea, lunch, and breakfast. Tahu begedil is the best-selling food due to the high demand from customer. Tahu begedil is also sold in frozen form in large quantity and able to market in a wide market where customer can make a frozen food stock at home and or anywhere which they can cook their own if they want to eat. So for packaging, we use for tahu begedil is paper box, zipper bag, and plastic bag. Packaging means to prevent the product inside from being damaged either during delivery, shipment, and received by the customer and by using packaging. The possibility of insert breaching on the product is low and maybe not. Sundry Enterprise decided to use paper box with medium size to put 8 pieces of tahu bergedil and sambal kicap instead of a piece of paper like most sellers love to use for wrapping their food such as noodle or rice because this is to prevent customer feeling uncomfortable, which is some customer just want to try a piece of tahu bergedil. Once the food arrive, and after that they will continue it when they reach at home. By using a paper bag, it also can prevent the food from being easily falling down and crushed because of the paper quiet thing. Other than that, a zipper bag with a 3x4 size to put the sambal kicap inside is more suitable instead of using a small cup because it will make a paper box. Other than that, a zipper bag with a 3x4 size to put the sambal kicap inside is more suitable instead of using a small cup because it will make the paper box not enough space. Besides, by using the plastic bag, easy to make rider and customer feel easier holding the food to bring it anywhere. On top of paper box, sticker will be pasted on each box to make it easier for buyer to identify our product as well as contact us if they are interested in getting them. Okay, so Sundry Enterprise the delivery use is by cash on delivery, which is COD. This is the easiest service to those customers who not enough time to walk in and buy tahu bergedil at shop. The customer will give you an option which are they can pay by online transfer or cash, where customer can pay for their food when the delivery is arrived. The payment will be accompanied by delivery charge imposed according to the location and distance. The further away of delivery place, the higher delivery charge will be changed. We have set by kilometer, which means from our shop to the location delivery need to deliver is minimum 2 ringgit for 0 km, 0 km until 5 km, and it become pricey when the location starting from 35.1 km until 40 km with 18 ringgit. This is because the cost to get to the area involved are relatively high cost borne by the Sundry Enterprise, such as cost of gasoline and maintenance for the transportation. So other than that, Sundry Enterprise use online platform to promote the product because nowadays most of people use the technology and have some apps to get an information and to buy something. This is why online platform is the best way to get engagement from customer. Customer can purchase tahu bergedil directly from Sundry official website or media socials such as Instagram and Facebook. They can also make any complaint or suggestion through WhatsApp or email. Last but not least, Sundry Enterprise had chosen tahu bergedil because it has a unique value and is known by the public. Especially in the Malaysian market, tahu bergedil have different and unique from the others because the food has its own originality, and this which means the combination of tahu bergedil and sambal kicap is sectional.
Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. My name is Laudi Mustari bin Naras Tazul. My matrix numbers 81 82540. Next is journal. In our transaction, the journal is divided into 5 parts: general journal, sales journal, purchase journal, sales return journal, and purchase return journal. In the general journal, we have record all types of expenses such as insurance expenses, salary expenses, commission expenses, and more. In the sales journals, we have record 20 cash sales and 10 credit sales. In September, the total sales was 88,100, while in October it was 45,000. And the total sales we have 133 and 100. In the purchase journal, we have record all types of purchase, namely 10 cash purchase and 5 credit purchase. The total purchase in September and October was 11,000. Next, in the purchase return and sales return journal have only 2 transactions for the following 2 journals. The total purchase return journal is 3,600, while for the sales return journal it is 3,430. After creating the journal, all the amounts in our journal have been entered into the trial balance. Our assets and expenses are placed on debit side, while our liabilities, equity, and revenue are placed on the credit side. After placing all the accounts in the trial balance, we have obtained an amount for the debit and credit portion of 31,770, and that value is the value of our company's trial balance.
Hi, my name is Vanessa and today is my matrix number 8218280. Next, I will continue with income statement. In the income statement, we get sales 133,100 and sales return 36,000. Purchase we get 38,400 ringgit, purchase return 3,430 ringgit, and we get gross profit 84,930 ringgit. expenses, we get 16,700 ringgit, and net profit, we get 682,230 ringgit. Next, I will describe the performance of Sundry Enterprise. We can evaluate and predict the Sundry Enterprise performance of an enterprise, deeply analyze the root causes of the advantages and disadvantages of Sundry Enterprise performance, and seek quick strategies to improve the utilization efficiency of Sundry Enterprise economic resources. Sundry Enterprise can compare the related items of the balance sheet with the income statement and the utilization of various resources, and use the return on capital, inventory turnover, and so on.
Assalamualaikum and hi to Dr. Zul. My name is Karisa binti Muhammad Sani. My metric number is A21B2527. Next, I will continue about suggest what area could be improved for the business. First and foremost, selling skills. Selling skills is a techniques and processes that salespeople will do to make an engagement with customer. The skills that need to focus is communication, which is we need to learn and use various type of skills. From the techniques, we can communicate with customer effectively. Other than that, tracking trends. We need to identify new opportunities for growing and expanding the business. Our competitors, which is tahu bergedil budak gemuk, has innovated the products to have a various type of tahu bergedil. For example, she put a mozzarella cheese in it. This is a good idea from her because mostly Malaysians love something spicy and cheesy. Last but not least, employees need to take some break. Give an opportunity to employees or staff to go to holiday for take some break. When they get a good rest, it can reduce stress and have a peace of mind. When they come back to work as usually, they will be able to think creatively and critically for run our business smoothly and systematically.
Last but not least, the conclusion is we can show the company's profit and loss and working capital at the end of the month. We should realize that accounting is to record and process data into information, the characteristics of good information, and the relationship between accounting and organizational goals. We must also have a clearer understanding of the content determined by the accountant. Next, help accounting organizations to set their financial rights and obligations. The final result of accounting is to obtain information and funds. We must provide the profits and current losses in the trading account and the balance sheet. Sundry Enterprise has been operating well during this period, so that Sundry Enterprise recorded gross profit of 84,930 when closing the account on 31 October 2021. Next, recorded a net profit of 68,230 after deducting expenses. Working capital recorded 7,230, which also means that Sundry Enterprise made a profit in 2 months of operation. Working capital is sufficient for us to continue operating.